Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back to my channel and happy to see you all again in this new video. So today also we will be dealing with the subscriber query only. I have nearly 14 to 15 queries which I have not answered. So I thought if I make a video based on this, it will be helpful for people who are having similar queries, okay, those who are planning to choose this field or those who are already into this, like maybe some freshers. So if you have any doubts related to this, it might be useful for you. So kindly watch this video. Okay, before entering into the video, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it useful, please do share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, fine. So we'll enter into this questionnaire session. So the query was, is it possible for a medical coder to live a better lifestyle which is quite related to the income basis? So we can take this question in this way, like to live a better lifestyle, what should be the income, or whether the income what the medical coder is getting is useful to lead a normal life. We can take this question in any such way. Okay, so according to my understanding, I am going to answer this. Okay, so fine. For better lifestyle, in the sense, nowadays, like when compared to the salary scale before 5 years or 10 years and all, now the freshers are getting very good salary. Okay, very good in the sense, the salary scale of freshers nowadays are very good, like 15 to 18,000 and all. It's a very good package, okay, for freshers, I'm telling. So when you take the salary package, you can live a good lifestyle, because being a fresher, you will be staying with your parents only. You don't have any other commitments apart from that. Like if you have taken any educational loan only, it will be difficult for you to sustain. So apart from that, it will be really helpful for you. But if you consider, like most of the people have a doubt, like freshers are getting very less salary. It's not like that. Medical coding is a career in which only certified people are working. Okay, so for working as a medical coder, you should be a certified person. Without certification, you are not a licensed person, since some companies are recruiting non-certified people and they are making them to work also. In order, there are a lot of outsourcing companies and they have lot of projects. So in order to complete that, many non-certified people are also working. But when considering, only certified people should work in this field. Okay, so when you are a certified person, the company will give you a very good salary, like starting scale, say some 20,000 above. Okay, so 20,000 above, being a fresher in India, so it's a good package only. It's a good package. Apart from this, the company is not stopping with the salary only. It's considered as a basic salary. Apart from the basic salary, the candidates are getting incentives. Say many companies are there, like say Optum and V Technologies, like that. Many companies are there, those who are providing incentives and very good package to the candidates. So it's worth, right? Like you can being a fresher, it's useful, and for experienced person also, they are also getting very good salary. Shall I ask you one question? If the person is not paid properly, or if the person is not satisfied in this profession, then why these medical coders are not resigning their job, and why they are not quitting this profession? Nowadays also, many people are studying, many people are working. In all the companies, we don't have enough number of vacancies also, because people are not resigning from there. So if they are not getting good salary, or if they are not maintaining very good living lifestyle, means surely they would resign, no? this is the understanding what you should have. Like, people are getting enough amount and they are living their life happily as a medical coder. It's a stress-free life, and moreover Saturday, Sunday and all, most of the companies it's leave only. So people can live a very good lifestyle based on this, and they are getting good salary also. Then why we should worry? See, being a medical coder, I'll support my profession, okay? So you have to think like this. Whoever in other sectors, they will support only their field. They will try to degrade, or they will try to demotivate the candidates from entering into other field. But here I am not telling you like you should not choose that field or this field and all. But here in this medical coding, I am telling you, since it is a flourishing career, you can earn well and you can register your position somewhere. That's why I am telling you. So it's not like forcing a candidate to enter into this field, or you should choose only medical coding. Nothing like that. Understand one thing. First, you research about this field and understand what is it. Nobody is forcing you, like giving you an offer letter, come you should work here only, otherwise I will do that, this, and nobody is telling you. They are giving you an offer. You can read throughout the offer letter, and if you are satisfied with the salary scale, then only you join. Who is forcing you? Like, come, you should work here only. Nobody is forcing you, no? You, being an individual, you have all the rights to decide, like whether the salary is okay for you, or based on your knowledge, you have some better opportunities. Think like that, okay? So companies have a certain standard. Certain companies, they will provide this much only. So if you are not satisfied with this company, choose other. It's not like we have only one or two medical coding companies. There are more number of companies, n number of companies are there. So if you are not happy with one company package, try other. And if you perform really well, based on your knowledge, the company will pay you really a very good package, okay? So it's a kind request. If you are planning to choose this career, you can lead a very good lifestyle, as well as like whatever your expectation to live, you can meet through this. This is what I can say. By choosing this field, you can have a very good lifestyle, as well as you can earn really well. And again, I am telling you, don't listen like if I am saying you can think like this. She has said, so I have to join for medical coding. Nothing like that. You are an educated person. You can understand things. So when you are getting an offer, go through the offer letter, see what is your salary package, and compare and see like whether the salary is enough for me to live my life. If it's okay for you, proceed. Otherwise, search other company. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. And we will be posting the next query also. So please keep watching. So if you have any queries, please do put it as a comment, or you can mail me also. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.